yoga is not originated from Patanjali. Patanjali is the organizer, not originator. That's the first thing you need to know. Unfortunately, even the great yoga teachers, yoga gurus, yogis, socially acclaimed, respected, revered gurus, yogis, even they think and promote Patanjali as the originator of yoga, father of yoga. With all my respect to Patanjali, I wanted to declare this truth to the world. Please understand, at least 15,000 years before Patanjali, a being walked on the planet Earth, assuming the physical form, just like all of us. Adi Guru Sadashiva is the founder and father of yoga system. There is enough of detailed. I wanted to insist on this word, detailed description, including the yoga postures and breathing methods, pranayama, kriya. A detailed manuals are available, written directly by Sadashiva. Understand? People who are afraid of the power of Hindu tradition always try to put our valuable knowledge as myth. They try to classify the valuable knowledge as myth. Only a person who has become enlightened and practices can understand the difference between myth and subjective science. Sadashiva revealed all these scriptures is not myth, it is a subjective truth which can stand the scrutiny of any decent researcher, whether in the form of linguistic, if you start analyzing the language, the scriptures available, all the revelations by Sadashiva is called Agama. Means the complete works of Sadashiva is called Agama. If you see the language, it is at least 10 to 15,000 years before Patanjali. And if you see the archaeological evidences, the place where Sadashiva walked, Varanasi, still walking, living. If you see even archaeological researches, any decent researcher, unbiased, straightforward, seeking the truth, will be convinced about what I am presenting. I have enough of material to substantiate the claims I am making, not just my intuition or ability to see the Akashic records. That's only one side. I have enough to substantiate whatever I am claiming. Patanjali is a great organizer, but not originator. Origination, please understand, the source is Sadashiva himself. Patanjali, a great disciple of Mahadeva, devotee of Mahadeva, lived in Chidambaram, organized this whole science, presented it in a very presentable format, called Yoga Sutras. Yoga Sutras is a great book, no doubt, but not the first book. There's a big difference. Even the great yogis, acclaimed yogis, very popular all over the world, yoga gurus, always stop with Patanjali. I do not know why. Very few say yoga was before Patanjali. And even if they say, they are not able to present the scriptures and literatures. So understand, yoga is at least 10 to 15,000 years older than Patanjali. Patanjali organized but not originated. So organizer is Adi Guru Sadashiva himself. In his agamas, he presents a detailed, elaborate, large manuals, descriptions, and a large quantity of material with high quality precision available, which is directly delivered by Sadashiva. Please understand, knowing the original source and the literatures revealed by the original author is very important to keep the purity of any knowledge branch. Any knowledge branch, whether it is Ayurveda, Jyotisha, Gemology, Numerology, or Siddha, any tradition, any knowledge branch, knowing the originator, father, founding father, his intentions, his revelations, the material revealed by him, knowledge about that is too important to learn that knowledge source, that branch of knowledge. Any knowledge branch will be complete only if the founder's intentions are revealed as it is to the person who is studying that branch of the knowledge. Unless you know the founder of homeopathy's intention and his original text, homeopathy can never be complete for you. Unless you know Varaha Mihira's original sutras, Jyotisha can never be complete for you. Unless you know the Kamigagama, Vastu Patala, the science of Vastu can never be complete for you. Same way, unless you know the Shivagamas, Yogapada, the yoga branch revealed by Sadashiva, the yoga knowledge can never be complete for you. First thing you have never been told is Sadashiva Adi Guru is the source of yoga tradition.